In this video, I'll guide you through step by step on how to construct an equilateral triangle of 8 centimeter long. So if you want to do that, you first of all draw a horizontal line of 8 centimeter. So now once you draw a horizontal line, you label this point as your point A, and here is your point B. Now the next step is to open your pair of compass. So now once you open your pair of compass, you stand at this point, you open it to the end of this line, which is from your point A to your point B. So if that is correct, you now cut an arc at the top, and then you now come to this point, you now cut another arc at the top. So in order to construct a perpendicular line, in order to construct an equilateral triangle, you now link this point is your point C. You now join the line to point A and from C to B. So this is how to construct an equilateral triangle of 8 centimeter long. If this is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.